Urban waste management remains a pressing challenge, with Kampala generating up to 2,500 tons of waste daily, yet only 40 to 50% is collected. The recent closure of the Chitezi landfill has worsened the crisis, leading to illegal dumping, clogged drainage, and severe environmental and health risks. With support from USAID, Action for Humanitarian Initiative Uganda is implementing a one-year project improving community-led waste management systems in Wakiso and Kampala slum areas, Matuga, Bwaise, and Katanga. This initiative empowers slum youth and young women to improve waste management, benefiting them and their households. The project aims to enhance health and living conditions by advocating for better environmental policies and documenting data-driven solutions. Speaking to one of the residents of Bwaise, she shares her experience with poor disposal of garbage and how she has benefited from the Action for Humanitarian Initiative project.
Kasasiro mwogerako ng'ekintu ekitali kya muzannyo kubanga asaasaana buli wamu ng'abolaba emyala gino bw'aba agudde mu mwalo omwo ensiri ziruma abantu buki ate naddala ewaffe mu Katanga abantu beefiirayo oli akwata kasasiro n'asuula awo abamu tebalina bukutiya bakuumira kasasiro tebalina mwe bamuteeka bayisuleyo gwannaggamba. Ekirala kasasiro atulwaza kuba kati sawa leero tuli mu kasana sizoni ya kasana abaana baddukana emisujja gy'ensiri mingi ogenda okugalawo ennyumba ng'ensiri mpitirivu ku bisanga wazigenda kuluma abaana ekiro enkyate otwale mu ddwaliro babajjanjabe ezo nazo ssente kuva ekitongole kino bwe kyajja nga nze nafuna okusomesebwa okwasooka nti nina okuma kasasiro ng'ekyobugagga kyange okugeza nasomesa abaana bange bato abamu ba myaka ena abalala ba myaka 6 nabagamba buli osanga akacupa akali around we tuli tokasuula mu mwala kakwata nalinawe munabalaga era otwogera essaawa zino buzijjudde ebikomeeri nabagamba akatupa kasuule wano kaveera kasuule mu kasasiro nga twewala kasasiro kusaasaana kati nga bolaba ekiri wano bano abali wano tebafuna kisomesebwa kumala.
This project seeks to address the urgent issues and create sustainable solutions for the affected communities. Recycling our waste is essential for conserving resources and reducing the costs and challenges of solid waste disposal.
Ensonga endala gy'enjagala okukkaatirizaako nti tuba twogera ku electronic waste oba kasolo waste oba radio enkadde kibi kyamukisa okunoonyereza kuno kwakoleddwa kweraliikiriza kubanga nga yenkanakati 18 sikirungi nnyo ekintu ekyo oba wajjukira nti abakozesa radio abakozesa amasimu n'abalala tugenda tweyongeramu emizo obungi naye olwaleero mu kiseera kye tulimu kino nti buli maka galina ebintu ebifudde kuva ku paasi radio
waliwo gye nagenze nampa ku magezi gano agapampa n'atukusalira solution yati ya pampa manyi tulina obuzibu bwa pampa ate tetujja zeewala omukyalo oli yatuwadde nti pampa zaabu nga bwe tugambye tikasasiro ti zaabu atira nasimula pampa eyo ng'ayambadde gloves n'agiwa ebyo ebirimu ng'asimye ekinnya obanga abamu abalina we balimira n'akiteekamu ekinnya ekyo ebyo ebibeeramu munda n'abiziika biri ebyokungulu n'abiteeka aside ne bikala n'abyokya bw'amala okubyokya n'agireva eryo n'alimixinga ne bino bye yaziika n'akola ki n'abiwa omwezi n'asimbawo ekitooke n'asimbawo ekitooke
However, achieving effective large-scale recycling requires fundamental changes in society. Manufacturers, packagers, and retailers must adapt their products and processes to support recycling efforts. Government at all levels must invest in better equipment and systems. Most importantly, citizens must embrace recycling as a way of life. We need to channel as much creativity into recycling as we do into production.
My name is Kaswante Sinai. I'm the project manager of a project called Improving Community-Led Waste Management Systems in Kampala City and Wakiso District. A one-year project which is being implemented by Action for Humanitarian Initiative in partnership with USAID. This project was conceived basing on the challenges that were being faced by the communities, especially those ones living in the slums of Kampala City and Wakiso, specifically in Matuga area. And some of these challenges include limited participation of the communities in implementation of the solid waste disposal systems. There is limited awareness of the communities on the causes and the effects of poor garbage disposal, especially in the slums of Kampala City and Wakiso. Limited participation of the communities in the formulation and implementation of the laws and policies that govern solid waste management in those slums. Action for Humanitarian Initiative is a national NGO that is focusing on promoting the rights of people, especially women and youth, and it is involved in a number of social and economic activities, both in Kampala, central Uganda, and also in Jinja. We are focusing on child protection, and also in the refugee camp of Nakivale, also focusing on protection of women's rights. But here in Kampala, we are mainly working on environmental issues, and we are trying to improve the environmental systems in Kampala City, mainly looking at how garbage can be improved, garbage disposal can be improved, and also making the health of the people, especially living in the slums, to be okay. In the area of environment, this is the first time, and we are working with USAID, especially the people called environmental defenders, and USAID are our funders, and we're the ones who are actually implementing the project on the ground. Now that the communities, through the project interventions, are clearly aware of the existing laws and policies that govern garbage disposal, they are calling upon the leaders of Kawempe Division to make sure that they involve the communities in formulation and enforcement of these laws. They are also calling upon Kawempe Division to increase the budget for garbage disposal, especially in the areas that are congested, like the slums, because that is where the problem is felt most. And they are also organizing dialogues and other meetings with the leaders to ensure that there is a follow-up of these activities that go on without them not knowing, so that the local government can perform their duties as it should be done.